Hello, we are going to go through 4 steps of how to produce alcohol using the distillation method. We are going to look at 4 steps or 4 sentences of how to produce alcohol using the distillation method. Remember, there are 2 methods of producing alcohol. The first one is by fermentation and the second one is by distillation. Now we're going to look at the second one, the second method, which is distillation method. Now, step 1, fermented juice is put in an airtight distillation apparatus. Fermented juice, we begin by getting our fermented juice and then we put it in that airtight tank, that part of the distillation apparatus. And then step 2, we use heat to evaporate off the alcohol. We use heat to evaporate off the alcohol. Then step 3, evaporated alcohol, with the help of water, evaporated alcohol is condensed at some stage. And then finally, step 4, pure alcohol will then be collected as distillate. We have 4 very elaborate steps. Let me take you through one more time. Step 1, fermented juice is put in that airtight tank. And then step 2, heat is used to evaporate off the alcohol. Step 3, with the help of cold water, condensation takes place, or cold water helps to condense the evaporated alcohol. Finally, step 4, pure water will be collected as distillate, as our final product. Maybe if I'm to ask some questions from this subtopic, what is fermentation? Fermentation is the process by which sugar in solution form is converted to alcohol, or the process by which sugar in juice is converted to alcohol. Then the other question is identify the processes in the distillation apparatus. The processes in the distillation apparatus, we have 2 major processes, that's evaporation and condensation. Then 3, the importance of the cold water in the distillation apparatus. It helps to condense the evaporated alcohol. It helps to condense the evaporated alcohol. Condensation, you know what condensation is? Process by which a gas turns to a liquid. Then why is that tube coiled in the cold water? It's coiled in the cold water to increase the surface area for condensation to take place. Another question would be, what is the name of the final product we get after distilling? That's distillate with the double L. Then there's another question which is also asked. Why is the alcohol collected, the first alcohol collected, why is it more concentrated than the alcohol that is collected later on? The first alcohol that is collected is more concentrated than the one which is collected later on because alcohol has a lower boiling point than water. Maybe sometimes we are also asked, when is the distillation method used? When is the distillation method used as a method of separating mixtures? When do we use the distillation method? We use the distillation method when separating miscible liquids. Miscible liquids that have got different boiling points. We use that method when separating miscible liquids that have got different boiling points. Don't forget to share with your friend. You can also listen to the video over and over again. Thank you.